She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. Yeah, I'm sorry. Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel with me, Sarah Farrugia. What is Gucci Fresh? I feel like I always start off my videos with today. By the title of this video, you probably already know what I'm about to do, but I'm gonna give myself a homemade at-home style Brazilian. If you don't know what that is, just go look it up. We're gonna give myself a little waxy here and there, and hopefully my kitty doesn't fall off. I have done this like 2 times. I have done this like 2 times before. Each time it's a little rough. We're gonna see how it goes today, and I thought I would document it if you're having the quarantine wax situation that I am and don't want to shave, because shaving is bad. So Brazilian time, here we come. I've been getting them since July of 2018. So I really have to keep on the trend because I don't want to mess it up. You know what I mean? So let's just get straight into it. If you guys are curious, this is the wax I'm going to be using. I actually stole this thing from my doctor's office, the thing they stick down your throat. This is the wax I'm going to be using, the Nair Sugar Wax. I find it works pretty good. And then I also bought the wax strips as well. I'm not sure why this had a literal explosion, but you know, we're just gonna go with the flow here. I'm gonna warm it up for 15 seconds and we're gonna see how liquidy it is from there. You don't want it to be too hot. Oh, what the hell? Yay! You want it to be liquidy but also thick at the same time, because if it's too liquidy it'll burn you, and I've done that multiple times and it's not that fun. We have all of our tools. Every time I do this I'm so nervous. My wax lady's the best. Like, why would I do this to myself? But it's also quarantine, so I don't have her. Bottoms up. I'm so nervous. Like, guys are such when it comes to this. Okay, we're gonna start off slow and steady here. So you want to attach a strip right when you apply the wax, and you're pulling up. You're pulling against the hair, where sugaring you pull with the hair. Okay, it's already pretty snatched on there. Woo! First strip of the day. Let's go. Let's go. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Okay, here we go. I feel like I'm actually about to have a fucking child. Okay, I'm really scared. 3, 2, 1. I mean, it worked, kind of. Okay, first strip down. Not looking too bad. It's looking great, actually. So I ended up putting this in, I think it was for 30 seconds. It should say on your box on how, your box. Okay, guys, I think we're ready to rip. Mama, who didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow. My fuck, that hurt. Oh, there's some still left. Senorita, send help my way. 3. Can I get a countdown, please? 3, 2, 1. Fuck, I can't do it. 3, 2, 1. Oof. Mama, that shit hurt. That shit hurted. I think my YouTube channel has to be the #1 YouTube channel for posting the most random stuff. Like, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but this one is gonna hurt. And last time I did this section, I bruised and it automatically turned purple. So, but it went away. So, like, we're here today, we're living. Also, I posted a clothing haul. So if you guys are interested in that, hit this little button up here, but hit it at the end of the video. Let's get through this one first. Come back to this time and hit that button. It'll also be at the end of the video, so if you want to check it out then too, then go right ahead. And while we're here chilling, please just drop a like on this video. I mean, why not? Support me and my kitty girl, and yeah, life is good. This is gonna hurt like a mama. She's got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. Guys, I'm not ready. This girl is on fire! Holy no, I'm scared. Ah! This girl is truly on fire now. This girl is on fire. Should I say 3, 2, 1 in like a different accent every time? Like 3, 2, 1. Woo! Mama, Sita. Okay there. deux, trois. Woo! Jeez, that one was fresh. I mean, I'm actually doing a really good job. Like, this is probably my best out of all of them. And also the wax is starting to get a little bit hard again, so I'm gonna put it back in because if it gets too hard, you're gonna have the worst pain of your life. So just, yeah. And we're at the worst part. If you're a female, you probably know exactly what part we're on. The top part, let me just say, is a breeze, okay? This part, 911's on speed dial. So this is gonna be it. She's walking on fire. My neighbors are honestly probably so confused. I'm taking song requests. Yo, this one's gonna hurt so bad. I'm so scared. Here we go. Beat drop, beat drop. I'm just an ordinary girl. J freaking Zeus. Hurts. Here we go, round 2 with Ordinary Girl. This one, I'm not kidding. This is it. This is the death of me. This one's it. Call 911. 911 on speed dial. Let's go. No, Miley, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. I'm just an ordinary girl. Whoa! So I'm gonna pick a song by shuffling my playlist and then singing to it and then ripping when the beat drops. So let's have some fun with it. I got God's plan. Whew. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. Yeah, I'm sorry. Whoa! Jeez. Mama Sata. Why do I keep saying that? I don't know. It's kind of helping, so. I just can't wait. Yeah. Cause baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Oh, this one's bad. This one's real bad. This one's call 911 bad. It's all stuck. That was rough. We have one more and then we can like clean it up and we are freaking Gucci Fresh 00. Okay, we are Gucci Fresh and this will be over. Like, I'm actually sweating up a storm in here. Ooh. Snap your fingers. Two-step. Can you do it all by yourself? Baby girl, what's your name? No, 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 no. Oh my god, I keep like saving the day somehow and I really don't know how. Woohoo! Woo! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, yeah, yeah! That fucking hurt! Ouchie, ouch! Ouchie, ouch! Ouchie, ouchie, ouch! Ouchie, ouchie, ouch! Ouch, ouch, ouch! Ouch, ouch, ouch! Ouchie, ouchie, ouch! Thank you guys for watching to the end of the video. So I just finished off everything with a jojoba oil. That is my favorite oil. You can definitely look up DIY serums and things like that. Again, just a disclaimer, I am not a professional at this at all, so please do not attempt this without actually knowing what you're doing or like looking up a video on how to exactly do it, because this is just a funny video. I don't want to be sued. I wouldn't be sued anyway, but you know what I mean. Just be safe and watch the video without this video being a DIY. Just go watch a different video that's good for that, because this isn't it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to drop a like on this video if you liked it and subscribe for more. I post every Thursday now. Okay, well, that's my cue. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you.